Jesus Christ, look at the needle on that.
I don't know, that's a drill bit. Tiny little drill bit, yeah.
We're getting some little toolbox collection at the moment.
They've been there a little while.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Welcome to Hackney. Here we are, back to cast, just under this great little bridge. Go for it, Snaf, cast away. Who knows what we're gonna find today, guys? This is the fishing net treasure hunters. We are everywhere. Just to give you guys a quick little look at the scenery, see the busy bridge. Yeah, well, let's keep an eye on the rope. Here we are. First cast, let's go for it. Beautiful. Let's see what we got. Weather today's not great again, but what can you expect? It is winter time. Let's go. Here it is, here it is. Oh, not more greenery. We've had this habit on the last couple of videos. Okay, just green stuff again. We'll have another cast in a moment. Another little cast here just under the bridge here. Go for it, Snaf, cast away. Never know what we can find. That's it, that's it. Yeah, don't worry about that, that's all good. Let's put it through. Let's see where we are now. Let's see, let's see. Oh, Jesus.
Hold on. What's that? That's different.
That's new. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at the needle on that.
I don't know, that's a drill bit. Tiny little drill bit, yeah. Get on the camera. That's a tiny little drill bit, it's a tool bit.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, that's a... Oh, there you go, that's a tiny little drill bit.
Rusty, isn't that though? Lost it now. Yeah, well, what's in the, yeah, let's have a look at the rusty bit anyway. That's quite yeah, that's something.
That's something.
Just carried on casting here after the little weird little drill bit we found. Go for it against Snaf. Let's have a little,
Yeah.
pull that out, pull that out. Gonna have this little cast, maybe one more, and then we'll see what's next for us in this little venture today. Another little bite.
Really?
There you go. Oh.
Okay. Hold on, there's something.
Yeah? Ah, there's nothing there. Oh,
Yeah, I see that.
that's that.
Wires, I don't know.
Okay, we're getting some little toolbox collection at the moment.
They've been there a little while.
That's weird.
Yeah.
That's not like no normal. That looks like. What's with the little bend?
It's a little bit stiff.
What's the little bend at the top?
Well, I don't know. I don't have the. Leave a comment here who knows what this is.
Weird little.
That's
Yeah,
weird.
right.
I've never seen that in my life. Have you?
Yeah. No. It's like,
Different.
yeah, there you are. Adds to the collection, adds to the
There you go. That's
toolbox.
different.
To the toolbox. There you go. Just have another little cast here. Let's see what we can put out. Snaf. Let's go for it.
Oh, there's pressure.
There is. Oh yeah, there's pressure. Yeah, that's pressure. All right, let's hope it stays.
Something there.
Gentle, yeah, nice.
It's coming.
Yeah. Hold on, missed it. I don't know.
I missed it.
I think you lost it.
I only wait to down now. Just like that. I'm getting it out. I want to do this side as well.
Let's have the screen. Get it out. Let's see. What's that? That's the rag. No, there was pressure though. There really was.
There was something else there.
There really was something there. Alright. Alright, we're gonna have a last cast here and then we go for it now. That would have been fun. Maybe that can be another game another day. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Yeah, you got to walk. You got to walk with it. See, that's the bridge we're just walking from. Let's see, that's it. Yeah, definitely, definitely. Get a bit closer, get a bit closer. Yeah, let's have a look. Come on. Is there? Anything there? Anything actually on it? Nothing. Just nothing.
Oh my god. So all this pressure, yeah, it was just slipping off all the time.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And why not try magnet fishing for yourself and see what treasures you can find. This is the Fishing Net Treasure Hunters, and thanks for watching again.